Bro, hey bro!
What?
Yesterday I was thinking about how the universe will die, and I came up with nothing. So tell me please, I'm excited.
Well, there are three scenarios for the end of our universe. The three scenarios depend on the expansion of our universe. And why our universe is expanding, it's because of the dark energy. In 1998, scientists discovered that the rate of expansion of the universe is constantly increasing, and the reason is dark energy. No one knows what dark energy is. That's why it's called dark energy. We just know that this matter exists. If we use Einstein's equations to convert the dark energy into a mass, it becomes clear that it contains more than 70% of the mass of the universe, and that is why the future of the universe depends on it. Before 1998, we thought the universe worked like a ball that you throw up, and when it reaches a certain point, gravity pushes it back down. But we found out that the rate of expansion is like throwing the ball up and you will see it fly away. It will not return back, but rather it will fly faster and faster. Nobody knows where the acceleration is coming from. We just call it dark energy, and that energy leads us to the three scenarios for the end of the universe: the Big Rip, heat death, and the Big Crunch. Since the Big Bang, about 14 years ago, the universe has been a constant state of acceleration. Space increases in size every day, and the space between galaxies increases. The process of space expansion occurs between the stars in galaxies, but the gravitational pull of galaxies is still too strong for the galaxy to disintegrate due to expansion. In the Big Rip scenario, the expansion rate increases even on galaxies to the point that they will disintegrate and gravity will not be able to overcome the expansion. No galaxy will exist in the universe. The expansion will not stop there. Stars are mass of gas that is grouped together by the force of gravity. Here the expansion overcomes the stars and disintegrates them, and the planets and everything will decay in the first compounds. In the end, universe will accelerate at speeds exceeding the speed of light. Here the atoms themselves are affected by the expansion and disintegrate as well, and the molecules will not be able to interact with each other, and the universe becomes a tomb filled with infinite particles that will not touch anything else in the universe that is expanding to infinity, and the universe will be ripped like a rubber.
Wow. So scary.
Heat death. The difference between it and the Big Rip is that the atoms will not disintegrate, rather they will remain intact, but they will end with time and turn into radiation and end, while the universe expands forever. To explain this, we will talk about entropy. In short, every system tends to a state of extreme chaos. For example, in front of us is a cup of hot tea. In the beginning, its temperature will be high, but it will cool and regulate, and this applies to the universe. As the universe expands and accelerates, its matter will slowly break down. After a long life, the stars will stop forming and the universe will become a cool, dark stellar tomb. The stellar fuel will run out and Hawking radiation will decay black holes over the course of trillions of years. In the end, time will finish the last atom and nothing will remain, just a cold darkness that lasts forever. The Big Crunch. It is true that the universe is expanding at an increasing rate, but if scientists were wrong, or dark matter decreased with time and gravity became dominant one day, after billions of years, the universe will start to stop expanding, and after that, the process reverses and the universe begins to contract. Galaxies will accelerate toward each other and the universe will merge and shrink. Temperatures will start to rise everywhere. The universe will start to get smaller and smaller, and all black holes will merge into one large black hole that contains the mass of the universe. The theory of Big Crunch says that it will not end there and that the universe will pass through a circle of expansion and contraction, which means that the universe may be born again. The most likely scenario is the heat death, and some scientists hope that this is wrong and that the universe will start again. When this happens, whether after billions or trillions of years, until you enjoy every second of your life, if you search for someone like you in the universe, You might not find him at all. You're a glimpse of a beautiful awareness that may never be repeated.